guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are installing another piece. I ended up getting a harness bar for Shadow because I've had a set of Takata harnesses, but I've never installed them on the car because I don't have a harness bar. I did have them on at one point at the very beginning when I first got the car. The way that I had them installed were a crisscross way that you can set them up with the back seats, but not the safest thing to do. So after many years, I've decided to buy a harness, and I will show you guys when I get home if I don't get pulled over. I know this cop's watching me very, very closely. Let me show you guys. He turned. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go home the long way. He's trying to set me up, boys. He's trying to set me up. Let's test these brakes out. Bracket on the Evo, so every time I drive I try to go a little bit faster than what I'm supposed to come to a stop sign or a stop light very, very quickly, and these brakes are freaking good. I love it. I need one of these braces on all my cars. Alright guys, so here it is. I ended up going with the Nrg Harness Bar. I'll show you guys the color right now. Every time I get a new car part, it feels like Christmas. So here it is. I ended up going with the titanium color. Well, honestly, it looks a little more brown than titanium, or like a bronze, kind of like the wheels, but it's a nice color. I want to thank the guys at PANN AUTO Performance. They're honestly the shop who's been hooking me up since day one. They helped me get my TEs, 37s, and then along with my carbon fiber hood and carbon fiber fenders, quick release, and I also have a set of Takata harnesses to go with this. Like I said, if you guys need anything and are located in SoCal, hit them up. They're in San Diego. Again, they're called PANN AUTO Performance, located in San Diego. Tell them I sent you. Okay, so I honestly never done this before, but so I think you got to remove this bolt up here, this one down here, and then the same for the other side. So that's what I'm gonna be doing first, and this thing should just pop off. Bam, there's the other bolt. And I believe both of these are 17s. Yep, they're 17s. There we go. It looks like the hardware that Nrg provides you with it's not going to work for me. This one's a little too loose, and then this one right here is also too loose. So yeah, I might be just using the stock one again. You're gonna have to remove this little clip that prevents the spacer to come out. So this little clip is a pain right now. There you go. So yeah, you're gonna have to take this off, which is pretty much a spacer, and you're gonna be replacing it with one of the ones that Nrg provides you with. This will allow you to put your stock seat belt back on.
Alright guys, so I pretty much got the harness installed. I just gotta finish tying up the bolts. But as you can see, it's nice and sturdy. This one's hella nice right here. I'm gonna have to tighten this one up. But you got the Nrg logo up here. But check it out. So far, not too bad. Here we go. That one's tightened up. All right guys, so here's the harness bar. Not too difficult to install. This thing is actually pretty nice. I love it. Can't wait to put on my harnesses on here, but this thing came out super sturdy. Check it out. Just 4 bolts, the 2 on the top and then the 2 in the bottom, and bam, it's on there. What do you guys think? Even looking at it from outside, damn, check it out. Can't believe it. So I don't know, I think I'll try to throw on my harnesses tomorrow when I get home from work, but I will have to get a second set for the passenger because I don't want my passengers left out. I want them to have a harness too if they want to. But slowly bringing back Shadow. What do you guys think? What should be the next mod for Shadow? I already have some gauges, but I don't know if I want to put them back on. I have a pillar that goes right here and it has 3 gauges. I also want to paint the roof because the roof's looking really bad. I want to paint it black. I was going with the carbon fiber one, but I guess Nrg doesn't make that one anymore. And so I gotta either find somebody who makes one or just paint it black. Try to match the carbon, the wing, black roof, and then of course the carbon fiber hood along with the fenders. And as you can see, I was able to keep my stock seatbelt on there. It's nice and secure. If you guys have an Evo and you want to put a harness bar on there, and you guys are like me who are wondering if you can keep your stock seatbelt while adding a harness bar, you never know, maybe your Evo's your daily and then you take it to the track once or twice a year and you don't want to keep removing the harness bar. Who does? So yes, you're able to keep your stock seatbelts and put on a harness bar, at least with the Nrg. Again, huge thanks to the guys at PANN Auto Performance for hooking me up, like always, from day one. I'll keep you guys updated. I can't wait to put on my harness, have them come out through the seats, and then bam, feeling all secure, ready to race. One day, I'll take Shadow out to the track. I want to do some kind of like time attack thing. I don't have any experience with tracks, but I have a pretty good feel with driving this car. I've been driving it since like 2007. So I've had them for a while. Time to start adding stuff to them. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Friday.